In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Arkansas. Review the Arkansas requirements. Check the Arkansas Secretary of State website to confirm the rules and requirements for updating your LLC's principal and office address. Obtain the correct form. Download the Article of Amendment form from the Arkansas Secretary of State website. This is used to officially change your LLC's address. Fill out the form. Provide your LLC's full legal name, current address, new address, and any other required details. Ensure all the information is accurate to prevent delays, and prepare your filing fee. Include the required filing fee with your submission. Verify the current fee on the Secretary of State website to make sure you get the correct amount. Submit the form. Submitting the completed form and payment to the Arkansas Secretary of State, either online, by mail, or even in person, depending on your available submission methods. Update other records. After approval, updating your LLC's new address with other people, such as the banks, any other businesses, permits, the IRS, or anybody else. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Arkansas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.